If you like ice cream, these are the videos for you. I've developed 6 ice creams, CREAMi's, all the way from maple walnut to something I call the Elvis, 3 berries, blackberry, black cherry or cherry Garcia, strawberry, a standard chocolate that you can build off of. I'll probably break these videos up into different pieces in case you're just interested in one. If you're interested in 2 or 3, I'll just post them as they're available up there and down below so that you can check them out. Get ready for some ice cream fun. I'm really excited about this ice cream. It's a bit of an experiment and I hope it turns out. The base is peanut butter and banana ice cream, but there's a secret ingredient at the end that turns it into Elvis ice cream. Now, if you want, you add chocolate instead of the secret ingredient and it will be fantastic, but I'm gonna try the secret ingredient and see how it tastes. Here's the ingredients for the base. Elvis's favorite sandwich was a grilled peanut butter, banana, and bacon. We're gonna start out with 90 grams of frozen banana. I freeze the banana, and the reason why is, see all the juices that come out? That helps concentrate the taste, as opposed to using the regular banana. 12 ounces of milk, 30 grams vanilla protein powder, your favorite, 20 grams of peanut butter powder. And for a thickener, I don't like xanthan gum because I think it has a really kind of bad aftertaste. So I'm using 5 grams of collagen peptide. Kind of get all the ingredients together here, at least the powders, and try to infuse them. Now I'm going to take an emulsion blender, or some people call it a boat motor, and blend it all together slowly. So that will give you banana ice cream. Put it in the freezer and we'll bring it out 24 hours later. 24 hours later, this one has got a bit of a mound on it and we don't want to break the machine, so we're going to shave that down, flatten it out. We're going to run hot water around the base and the bottom for 60 seconds and soften up the sides. I've done it before without doing that, and you're really taking a risk at damaging your machine. I've tasted it before it goes into the CREAMi. The banana and peanut butter blend is on point. Neither one is overbearing. It's a nice blend. Here, put it on here, turn it on, full, light ice cream, fire it up. Shut it off. Okay, that's not too bad. You could remix it, but I think what you'll find is it will just get too liquidy on you. I kind of like it like this. I'll get my spatula out and hand churn at the end and just combine the more liquidy sides with the powdery center. That looks good. You could change this up by cutting up a bunch of banana pieces, or you could use banana chips and put it in there if you wanted a little bit of a crunchy texture. It's a good, nice, tasty ice cream right there. And you could add some chocolate chips to it. And that's good tasting ice cream, but it's not Elvis. Elvis's favorite sandwich was, if you remember, a grilled peanut butter, banana, bacon. Bacon and ice cream may not be what everybody wants, but I urge you to try it and see what you think. What I did is I microwaved pre-cooked bacon, and I'm just going to put a couple pieces on there. But if you like bacon and ice cream, you're in for a treat. It works. You got to be careful not to put in too much bacon because then it will overwhelm peanut butter and banana flavor. So you got to get the right ratio, but give it a try. I think you'll really like it. I'm really interested to see what you think. Post your comments below, one way or the other, on what do you think of this Elvis ice cream. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in all sorts of crazy flavors, making and breaking things, designs of all kinds, I even do costumes, cosplay, and props. Check out my channel and please subscribe. because you never know what unique flavors you're gonna taste. It's good.